Hi Bob, this is Andra with ModelRailroadBenchwork.com. Just wanted to go over a few things while I'm packing the order. As you can see, I've got the first module packed over there, and it's no lift and lift painted on it, so they know which angle to pick it up from. While I'm in the process of packing things, I just wanted to show you a few things. First things first is everything is attached to the pallets via painted red screws. So remove all the red screws and everything will fall apart. There is one exception to that though. There are two modules that are nested together right here. I didn't have much choice. I had to save some room somehow. So you're going to go ahead and remove these 4 screws, clearly label them from you, and you'll be able to de-nest those two modules together. Additionally, while you are assembling the layout, you're going to want to use something like this. So this is just a scrap piece of plywood. I'm going to go ahead and throw several of them in the box with all of the hardware for the layout. So what you're going to do when you're assembling modules is once you get the first module up, which is actually on pallet 1, it's the little short module right there, that's the corner one, that's where you're going to start. You're going to secure these blocks to the underside edge of the module. And what this is going to do is this is going to help you set up the next module. So you'll screw 2 of these blocks onto the module, and then you'll set the next module on top of these blocks, and it'll automatically help you get everything lined up so you can assemble this layout by yourself if you have to. Anyway, if you are not Bob by chance, and you are interested in possibly having a custom layout of any scale built by me, you can go ahead and visit modelrailroadbenchwork.com/custom, and we can start the process right there. I work with Z through G scale, so whatever you might need. Thanks for watching.